Hello everyone, welcome to MCube Tuition's Friday Splash. So today we're going to see some cheapest countries to visit from India. First thing, traveling is not a hobby, it's rather a way of living, and the most crucial thing while deciding on the next vacation is budget. Everything depends on that, especially where to go, whether international or national. If international travel has its share of thrill, delight, and most importantly, a lot of myth. One of the most important myth is that traveling abroad is super expensive. Let me spell it out. No, it's not necessary to be expensive. Let's take a look at the cheapest countries to visit from India and get rid of the myth. Nepal. Nestled amidst the mighty Himalayas, Nepal is a beautiful country of snow, peaks, streams, yaks, and yetis, monasteries, and magics. Nepal offers a calm, serene atmosphere for anyone who wants to take a break from the hustle-bustle life of city. And for the adventure junkies, it's a perfect location to experience an adrenaline rush, and all without burning a hole in a packet. It's one of the cheapest countries to travel from India. A decent hotel room there will cost you between 1000 to 2000 INR. Do visit famous historical rich temples in Kathmandu and Pokhara. Number 2. Vietnam. Vietnam is a country with nothing but an ample natural beauty, rich history, and unique heritage. Is nothing short of paradise, the must-visit place for backpackers all around the world. It's one of the most cheapest countries to travel from India. If you decide to stay in backpackers hostel, it might cost you less than 1000 INR per night. Number 3. Bhutan. The happiest country in the world is the best place to be for some peace, tranquility, and on top of that, it's one of the most cheapest countries to travel from India. Known for its rich natural beauty, the vast expanse and unexplored terrains, Indians can visit the country without a passport. If you go for a homestay, it will charge somewhere around 1500 to 2000 INR. Number 4. Sri Lanka. One of the neighboring countries, it offers a wide range of budget-friendly options to one and all. Known for its amazing beaches, absolutely lip-smacking cuisine and Ramayana connection, the country has something for one and all. Choose hostels or Airbnb to reduce per day cost. It costs around 700 to 1000 INR per night. Do not forget to take religious tours, art and culture tours, water adventure sports, wildlife tours, and plantations. Number 5. Thailand. Thailand is a perfect mix of ultra-modern cityscape and a rich cultural heritage. Opulent royal places and ancient ruins should be your go-to place if you're looking for a cheap country to travel from India. The costing here matters around 1200 to 2000 INR. Some of the interesting activities to do is local shopping, floating market, and elephant tourism, medical tourism. And yes, do not forget the water sports too. I hope you all enjoyed today's session of Friday Flash with MCube Tuition. We all will hope to get rid of this pandemic and take a tour with our families pleasantly in a corona-free world. Thank you all for being with us. Stay strong, stay healthy, wear masks and sanitize yourself regularly. We'll all meet in another interesting session of Friday Flash. Until then, take care.